Welcome to my channel Short Tricks 9 into 18 into 27 into dot 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 900 number of 0 in last. It is a series math. The multiple of 9 here. We solve the problem with two steps. First we 900 divide by 9 equal to 100. Step number 2, we divide 100 by 5. The result will be 20. Again, we divide 20 by 5. The result will be 4. Now we sum 20 plus 4 equal to 24. It will be the answer. Here 24 answer. If there is any remainder, it needs to be removed in other cases. If you like the math, please like, share and subscribe.